Squeak, squeak! Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Kamryn, and today I have a special guest who is me, Princess Squeaky. And you're probably wondering what this black hard-covered thing is right here. Well, it is the one and the only Nummies cookbook. One of my best friends gave it to me last night, and I am like crazy. I'm already trying out one of the recipes. So, Lauren, I hope you decided on what you wanted to make.
I did.
There's so many cool things.
I know. We are making the Galaxy cupcakes, but we are replacing the chocolate with the vanilla.
Because Lauren doesn't like vanilla. Or Princess Squeaky doesn't like vanilla.
You mean chocolate?
Yeah, she doesn't like chocolate. She loves vanilla. So, let's get started.
The things you will need are half a stick of room temperature butter. You will need blue and pink food coloring, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, an 1/8 cup of vegetable shortening, 1/8 of almond extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You're going to need 3 egg whites and 3 eggs, 3/4 a cup of sugar, 1/4 and 1/8 of a cup of milk, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and that's it.
I'm going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And there we go. Okay, so now we're going to whisk together our dry ingredients. Flour, please. Good. Salt. Oh, baking powder. And I'll do the salt. And there's no really measurement for the salt, just not too much because it will overpower your dish or whatever you're making. Here you go. And we will just whisk this till it's combined. I'll whisk a little bit. And Lauren can whisk a little bit. We'll see you back when that is done. Okay, so now we have our butter, shortening, and
Sugar!
oh, timer's ready. So whenever these are done, we can throw them in the oven. So let's get started. We are going to start by adding our butter and shortening. Just remember, the butter's got to be softened. Well, it doesn't have to be, but it works a lot better.
If it is.
Butter in, and you will need either a hand mixer or
Mixer.
this kind of mixer. And your vegetable shortening.
And we're gonna mix
Mix it all together.
Mix, mix, mix. So it's mixing up.
I'm gonna get a spatula. Almost there. Okay, so it just said mix till the sugar and shortening have been softened. Butter and shortening, yeah, here. Have been combined and soft. So now we're gonna add our sugar. And this will get mixed till light and fluffy. Oh, put the sugar left. Till light and fluffy. beat in our almond extract and vanilla extract. She doesn't like the smell of almond. She thinks it's too strong. I mean, it is strong, but she's never smelled mint before. And then our almond. And we'll crank this up again. Yeah. So now we will add our egg whites. Okay, so now we are gonna beat in our eggs slowly, one at a time. So we're putting them in 3 times till it is fluffy. So I'll add our first portion. Okay, we get it. It's fluffy. Now we're going to add in our next part.
The second one.
And now we need to add our last one.
The third one.
It actually looks like batter.
It actually looks like
Ah, that's funny.
and she got a spatula stuck.
That was fun. Okay, so now let's add in our dry ingredients. Okay, so now we have our flour mixture and our milk.
Dry.
In the wet? In the milk. And what we have to do is we've got to start with this and end with this. Clear direction. Otherwise, something will happen. I don't know why.
It will probably go.
Yeah, that's probably true. Add a little bit of our flour. There you go.
Flour dry.
Okay, I didn't put that down. Now we'll add our milk.
Milk time. The white is correct.
And last part,
The dry again.
there we go. It looks like batter.
That looks good.
If this is successful, this will be my first really successful vanilla batter, not using a box. Because I have tried many of them and none of them have worked. Thank you, Rosanna Pansino.
We need down to look at my stuff.
Rosanna Pansino's a miracle worker.
I love this battle.
I could eat it. Okay,
I want to eat those.
I think it's time to color it though. Okay, so we split our batter into 2 bowls and we sort of got into a mess with them. Everything's clean now. We didn't even use water.
Yeah. Tons did it.
It was so good. But anyways, we are going to make whatever color we want. So it could be a dark pink, a dark blue, light blue, Tiffany blue, blue sky, baby blue, whatever. I wouldn't do that.
I fix it.
I thought you were going to get blue. So here we go. I started with 3 drops. That's not.
No, okay. Yeah.
Okay, we may need some new blue.
That's good. That is good.
And since we weren't doing chocolate, we decided we should make them look a little more galaxy. So we decided to do food coloring. Oh, I love this pink, except it's not very galaxy.
Mine's gonna be dark. I'm gonna add more blue.
Well, if yours is gonna be dark, should mine be light?
Nah, I don't care.
Might add a few more drops. So I want this to look pretty. This is in honor of the cookbook, right? Am I right, my people? Click like or subscribe if you agree. Okay, I think that's enough red.
Pink.
Yeah. It's gonna turn red. Perfect. Oh, wow! Let's make it purple. I was telling Princess Squeaky that it tastes like our grandma's cookie dough recipe, and there's nothing better than our grandma's cookie dough recipe. Well, guess what? I think we might have found something
Better. This.
because it tastes exactly the same, but it's a cupcake. Okay, mine's good. You want more? You could turn yours purple.
I'm just adding a drop.
That will turn yours purple.
I don't care. Okay.
Princess Squeaky's gonna have purple. Ooh.
I want mine to actually be a galaxy.
Galaxy pink. Mine looks like hot pink.
Way.
Here, you want me to
No, it's fine. I'm gonna add more.
pink?
Drop.
We'll see you back when Lauren's batter is done. So, it is time to put our batter in our tins. Now, we do have a few little rubber ones, and then a
That
few
naughty Nummies use.
for the occasion. And then we have a few just normal throwaway ones. So let's start. So Lauren is going to start first, and she's going to fill the cupcake tins with a drop of hers. Then I'll do a drop. So I'm going to do the bottoms, and she'll do her bottoms. And then we'll turn the pan. Then I'll finish hers, and she'll finish mine. So I'll demonstrate really quick. So you about a spoonful. You put it in. Maybe 2 spoonfuls, depending on how much is in it. And then Lauren, she's going to put her blue on top. And I'll get some toothpicks so that we can swirl them around so they're more galaxy-like. Because who doesn't like a galaxy?
And I want these cupcakes for my birthday, the same exact thing.
There we go. And then you will take this. You want to get, maybe I'll add a drop of pink on the top, just so that you can see a little bit. It looks like a cherry. And you draw it around and through, like that.
That looks good.
Then we got swirl ours. Okay, mine are ready for you.
Yeah, mine are ready for you.
Spin, here. Put a little more blue in that one, and that one, and that one. Perfect. Yes. Me and Lauren are,
This one?
yeah, just that's it. And then 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, they're gonna run after me. Cause I got the best cupcakes that you're ever gonna see. Ooh, that was cool. Get all the air bubbles out. You know, I'll do this side. 1, 2, 3, they're gonna run back to me. wanna come, but and make sure not to overdo this. X's and O's, they haunt me. Like the O's, they want me. Make O's, they won't let go. X's and O's. Winter and they didn't understand. It's almost like putting a filling in it. Like if you add the pink or the blue, it's like when you bite into it, you see a different color. It's like a filling. Whoa.
Do you think that's
Then
good?
let 'em go. Perfect. I'm just getting a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 back.
Now I'm gonna take my toothpick and spin these, and you're gonna spin those.
No, we can't.
Why?
So you gotta add a drop of blue on yours. They always want to come, but they never want to leave. X's and O's, they haunt me. Like the O's, they want me.
Okay, now can I mix?
Like, it's not mixing, it's twirling.
Now I'm gonna twirl it.
Well, it's good. You don't want to mix it. When you do that, you're mixing it.
Well, I want some
Yeah, it's good.
I don't pink.
It's good.
I know how.
I'm probably gonna either need to use your toothpick or
Use your own toothpick.
there we go.
Wow, I'm tempted to eat this. Tastes so good.
Perfect. These cupcakes look, oh, I'm gonna get this. Look marvelous.
I'll see you back when they're done. And when I wash my hands because they're blue.
Sparkle fingers. Okay, I'm throwing these in the oven.
Throw them in the oven. Don't stop.
These cupcakes need to be cooked from 18 to 20 minutes. Not 17. Not 21. But 18 to 20 minutes sharp. Okay, so our cupcakes turned out way better than we thought they would be.
Yeah.
So here are our cupcakes. And Lauren made this side and I made this side. I don't believe these are our cupcakes. And okay, so I'm gonna move these. And now we're gonna show you. So we made a simple buttercream batter. And I made a dark pink.
And I made a purplish pinkish.
She made a very dark purple. I made a light purple because we don't have black.
And I made a dark blue. Really dark.
Dark blue. We have our piping bags right here. Just watch. Old school piping bags. I find them a lot easier.
Oh.
What?
There's a trick to doing that so you don't have to.
I know you go like that, right?
Yeah, then you use your hand and scoop it and then you put it inside.
No, we can't do that. It's gotta be, because it's gotta be 4 different colors in it.
Yeah, but. Okay. Do you want a bigger spoon?
Yeah. I was using a baby spoon. Well, I've got an even smaller one.
it down. She's the one that loves it.
Natalie was eating our buttercream. It's my first successful buttercream. Never made a really good buttercream that people have met like, whoa, that's a lot of sugar. Ooh,
What?
wow.
You're making your video.
Wow, pizza!
Pizza.
Lord.
How does it look?
You gotta add more than that color. You've gotta add in this purple and the pink. Okay, now I'm gonna do my light
Don't eat the frosting. That's unsanitary.
Thank you.
No, I'm doing my light purple.
Add pink then.
Yeah, take it.
There's my color.
This is funny. These probably won't look like perfect swirls, but that's okay. And there, that's for Lauren.
That's how much can I wear?
Okay, now I gotta add this purple and the blue. I'm excited at these dark colors. I love these dark colors.
So mine is actually done.
Yes, it is.
Get my towel.
Lauren succeeded, which is not something you see every day, especially in baking. Like sports,
Oh my God, be nice to your sister.
sports is-
Jesus.
sports is she's amazing and I'm terrible.
She doesn't usually
I have a
succeed, but
softball
that's
game
okay.
tonight, and I always win my softball
Yeah, she
game.
wins her softball games and I
I always hit the ball.
a ball.
Maybe sometimes I don't. But mostly I
Is
do.
it sad that when she said hit the ball, I automatically sang hit the quan, but with ball instead of quan?
Hit the quan! Hit the
But you
quan!
gotta say ball, because it's softball.
Hit the ball. Hit the ball. Hit the ball. Okay, I'm done now. I don't need
Me
towel.
too. Okay. So these look like hot messes, but they're not.
But they're not.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this. I'm gonna move all these.
Where's the corner that we off of?
Alright, so what we're gonna do is lay this down. Make sure it's sealed and you're gonna push everything down.
Down, Lauren, down. There you go.
But we're trying not to mix them. I'm gonna get scissors and we're not using piping pins.
We're just using these weird baggy tippy thingies.
Where are our scissors? Oh, I gotta use our kitchen scissors.
She has to use our kitchen stickers.
Scissors.
Scissors.
You definitely said stickers.
Stickers.
Right, and now we're each gonna get a cupcake of ours.
Give me one.
Wait, do I get a cupcake? I want a
Okay,
cupcake.
take one
You
of
can
mine.
eat one
I want a cupcake.
when we're done.
I officially 100% want a
Do you want one with the frosting? Okay,
A
I'll make
little
it.
bit of frosting, not like a lot of frosting.
Oh, then you have to do this one. 'Cause I don't
Okay, so take a bowl.
I know how to do this.
Wait. Okay. If you saw so. I see you, Natalie.
I'm sorry! Jeez.
Cheese. Did you burn? I mean, not burn yourself, but
No, because it's refrigerated and it's cold.
I'm the floss
Oh,
one.
let the dog in, please.
What?
Is it working?
Should I just come inside?
Oh, it's liquid. See, I knew something was gonna go wrong.
You want it?
It's literally liquid. It's not even
I
close.
would love the front. Oh, you already cut the corner. Never mind. Lesson learned, let your frosting sit because your hands have been all over it, and so now it's going to be liquid.
You want it? No.
Well, now we'll just have like.
You asked if I wanted it after you licked it?
I'm making this one. It's teeny tiny.
They won't. They'll
Not
look
teeny
like
tiny.
ice.
Not a big one.
They look ice. These still look like galaxies.
Yeah, but this one will have a lot of frosting.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
Gosh, those are pretty cool. Did you put specks of anything in it?
Nope. It's powdered sugar that didn't get fully mixed in.
That looks pretty cool.
I know, right? Totally meant to do that.
Okay, those. Ooh, oh, it's dripping.
My
Oh my God.
guns!
It's like a galaxy lake.
Yeah. Don't overfill them. It's actually good that they didn't completely rise or that we didn't even fill them fully. Whoopsies! Too much!
Just lick the edges one.
Or you do that.
I can do that. Hey.
They actually taste good. Not saying that they look good, but they taste good.
Oh, it's so liquidy.
I just want to eat this one.
Idea.
Ideas. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Ah, yeah, smart.
Sorry, but I have to eat it.
How do they taste?
One. With no frosting.
I don't want to.
I want to see the inside.
Oh, that's amazing.
Okay.
The inside's amazing.
We'll show you.
In honor of Rosanna Pansino.
Yeah, I watched a lot of her videos last night, actually.
Really?
Yeah, they're pretty cool.
I know, aren't they amazing? Lauren, I'm frosting your cupcakes. Okay, can I frost this one? Well, I don't have anything to frost.
Some sausage or something.
Okay, this one is going to Christina, and this one is going to my mouth.
This one's not.
Wait, nope, never mind. Okay, thanks for watching our video. Click like, subscribe, and comment to our channel. And the shout out goes to, did you guess? Rosanna Pansino from Nerdy Nummies. Hopefully you watch our video, and we love all your recipes. So, bye you two.